How is it going? Today we're going to talk about the MPow Sport Wireless Earphones. These are around, I want to say, $20 to $30 or around £17 to £25, and they are pretty damn amazing. Let's just read what they say. The model number is MPBH088AR. On the back features true high definition sound and deep bass, advanced noise cancellation, comfort and stability design, plus soft ear tips, made for sport and IPX7 water resistance. Oh, now in case you didn't know, IPX7 water resistance is the second highest water resistance on electrical items out there, which means it can go up to 1 meter underneath water and still be okay. So I'll be checking this out when I walk into an ice cold lake at the end of the video. But first, let's go through the features and unboxing. Also, it has a built-in microphone, hands-free operation, cool and handy carry bag, EVA box included. Specification: wireless standard version 4.1, operational range 10 meters, standby time 220 hours, charging time 1.5 hours. I think that's probably going to be a little bit faster if you use a fast charger as well. Talk/play time, so that just means when you're using the microphone to talk to your friends, hands-free, or if you're listening to music, that's 7 hours. And charging voltage is DC 5 volt, battery capacity 100 mAh/3.7 volts. Now 100 mAh might not seem that large, but for such a small device, it is actually a bit of a punch. And as you can see, it was made in China by the look of it. By looking at that, it's the barcode. And what other features does it have? Let's have a look. It has a built-in microphone, wireless connectivity, compatibility with all Bluetooth enabled devices. Let's turn it around. Has a carrying case. As we said before, IPX7 waterproof, so we will be testing that in the ice cold lake at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around. And it also has optional earplugs for different ear canal sizes. Okay, so let's get back on with the unboxing. Okay, we come on to the unboxing of the MPow Sport Wireless Earphones now. Looking at the box, there seems to be some circular sellotape tabs on the side, so we'll have to use the sharp knife. So we'll take the protective sheet off. We now have the sharp knife enabled. We're messing this up already. Okay, and right in. Okay, the sharp knife can now be put away. So let's see what goodies come with this beautiful box of tricks. Quite a stiff opening. Okay, that is the cover, so we'll put that to one side. And as you can see, we've got the MPow label here, and we'll work out how to open it now. Okay, this opens like so, and inside, the first thing we see is that we're greeted with a carrying case, and inside there we have an important reminder which says the headphone can only be charged by 5 volt adapters, USB ports only. Quick charging devices over 5 volts may cause heat and fire. So let's try not use my quick charge then, like I said before. Any issues about Bluetooth connection, please contact support at xmpow.com to get specific instructions. So warning, do not use fast chargers, just use normal chargers or just USB ports to charge it. Your USB port on a laptop or a PC or probably even a TV. Okay, also in the box we have MPow Match Your Smart Life. There's various products on display here. Inside we come with a 24-month after sale service guarantee and various support numbers for different countries, and a warranty policy with a 45-day full refund and a 24-month limited warranty. And if you register, you can enjoy coupons for 30 months limited warranty or 90 days full refund. And it has a QR code and social media links along the top and a website here. Some instructions: scan the QR code or visit the website to register as a member. Okay, we'll put that to one side. This is the last thing that comes in the box. It is the instructions. saying MPow with a model number and Bluetooth headphone. Also says in the package you should get a charging cable, instructions, and it's got a diagram here telling you what each button does, an LED and everything else. Powering on, powering off with the main button, and pairing mode, telling you how to pair, how to shut down with a 3 to 4 second push, it looks like, and then it goes off into different languages. And there's more instructions on this side, telling you about the batteries and everything else. Okay, so I'll put that to one side. The box is now empty, so we'll now put this to one side. We now are presented with the MPow carrying case. It feels quite, I wouldn't like to say rubbery, it's more like plasticky, sort of kind of a mix between rubber and plastic on the black part. And this is a fabric red part of the carrying case here with a zip. So we will open it now. Opens quite easily. Okay, we'll see what's inside. Okay, here we go. Inside the carrying case we have the actual headphones. We'll discard this. Okay, they are actually quite lightweight. They'll probably only weigh about 10 grams, if that, maybe more, 20 more, if that. There's various buttons for volume control and skipping of tracks. This is the power button and the pair button. This here is the charging port right in there. Now, I don't know how that is going to be waterproof. I mean, if that's on, I suppose it might be waterproof to an extent, but it comes with already with the earplugs on. And this obviously hooks behind the ears. We'll do a fitting test and an audio test after this. So we'll just leave this here on the side. I do like the colour scheme because black and red are my favourite colours, and this is why I chose it. Okay, also in the carrying case, we get 2 pairs of different sized earplugs and a plastic thing. I'm not quite sure what the plastic thing is. Also, there's some even more smaller earplugs here, so maybe that will be good for a child. There's even different ones here, sort of like big, massive memory foam sort of. Look at that. They squish down. Very interesting. I'm not going to open them yet. I'm just going to keep them in the packet. Because I'll probably get away with, these are probably the ones that have been fitted for average, everyday, sort of normal size ears. So let's have a closer look at this. So it is, I wouldn't say that is memory foam. Maybe these black ones, you can put these black ones on here. So these feel more like memory foam because they kind of like sponge out and sponge back again. So maybe you would take these plasticky ones off. So well, they are rubbery, but there's plastic in the middle. Or maybe you put them over the top of them. I don't know. You can try and find out later. Okay, so this is the charging cable that comes with it. It doesn't look very long at first glance. Okay, so look. No, it's probably designed just to plug into like your laptop and just be dangling there. I mean, it's no more than 30 centimeters, if that. But it's a mini USB to USB connection. To charge, simple as pulling that plastic bit back. I don't know how careful you need to be with this plastic bit because presumably if it's going to be waterproof, you need to be careful with it. Okay. And now we have connection with the power. I can get my USB power connection here, extension, and we'll show you how it looks like plugged in. Okay, that's now plugged in, and we see an LED lighting up on the side. So this is just plugged into my USB 3.0, and the LED has lit up red. So that means it's charging. Now these normally come with a half charge, just so you can test them out as soon as you get them. It's probably best to leave it on charge for 1.5 hours. So what I'll do now is I'll pause the video, leave it on charge for 1.5 hours, and then we'll do the audio test. And we'll also test out the inbuilt microphone, and then we'll be doing the underwater walking into a freezing cold lake test. So look forward to that. Okay, see you then. Okay, now it's time for the audio test, both music and for the built-in microphone. So I'll give you a little sample of what that sounds like. But for some of the more astute of you, you may notice I've suddenly got changed. Now that's because I'm not a superhero. No, I'm not a superhero. That's because in real life, over 24 hours have passed for me, whereas only a few minutes have passed for you. And that is the magic of video editing. But enough about that. Let's go back to the MPow Bluetooth earphones. Okay, so to fit them to your ears, simply plug them in like so. Left one is now connected, hooks around the back like so, and this is the right ear cup. This is the one with all the controls on it. It has the power button here. You hold the power button down for a few seconds and it'll turn off, and a little woman inside of it will go power on and power off. Your device is connected, and then it'll pop up on your smartphone telling you how much battery's got left. So that's an interesting feature, or at least it does on my Samsung. And if you double press that while it's powered on, it will do a last number recall. So that's a pretty cool feature as well. So if you're using it as like a Bluetooth headpiece to speak to your friends, that's what you get disconnected or something, you just double press that and you can talk to them again. It'll automatically ring them. On here we have the volume up and down. So if you just press it lightly once, or like keep tapping it, it'll put the volume up and down. And if you hold it for like 2 seconds and let go, it'll skip track and it'll go back a track as well. So it's pretty good for that. So we'll just give it a quick listen because I've already got a song queued up on Spotify. So just start playing now. The song is now queued. I don't know if you can hear it, you probably can't, but I'm going to turn it up. I'll tell you what the sound quality is like. So it's pretty loud. It's 80%. Okay. Oh, yeah, that is very loud. I'm going to put it on the actual microphone so see if you can hear it. Cool. Obviously, I need to turn it down because I can't even hear myself speak now. Okay, I've now paused the music, so that's good. Now we're going to do a little test to find out what the actual sound sounds like from the microphone, instead of, because at the moment I'm using my Blue Yeti mic to record, but I'm going to show you what it actually sounds like through the built-in mic. And obviously the Blue Yeti audio is edited, so it's going to be slightly better anyway, but well, you're going to see what it's like in a minute anyway, so yeah. Okay, I'm now giving you an audio test through the built-in microphone on the MPow Bluetooth earphones. This is pretty much what your voice is going to sound like, obviously with your voice, not mine, through the built-in microphone on the MPow earphones. That's about it. Let's get on to the bit you've all been waiting for, which is me getting filmed by a drone walking into a lake, and find out how waterproof these earphones actually are. One of three things will happen. Number one, nothing will happen and everything will be fine. Number two, the earphones will break. Or number three, the earphones will explode in my ears, causing me to drown and die horribly. Let's just hope that doesn't happen, hey? Okay. Now for the bit you've all been waiting for. I'm going to put my earphones in and then I'm going to connect to the audio on the earphones, and this drone is going to film me walking into there, going 1 meter under the water to test the waterproofness of these earphones. So let's get the drone in the air. Okay, I'm about to walk into the water now. It already looks like it's up to my knees deep. Oh, you whoo, it's cold. Right, we're going to test out the waterproofness of these earphones now. Oh! Oh! Ha! 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 Fuck! 3, 2, my feet are touching the floor. I'm going under. Oh my god. Oh. I was fully submerged, but my balls are freezing. Oh. That is it. Water test complete. I am now getting dry by the drone's downdraft. It's very windy down here and it's drying me quite well. Oh yes, technology. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that underwater test. It was a bloody freezing, I can tell you. I didn't actually go a whole meter under the water, but, well, my head didn't, but my body probably did, my feet did. But anyway, yeah, it was pretty cold, and the drone was pretty cool. Anyway, I'll do a quick summary and we'll wrap this up now because it's been one of my longer videos. So yeah, the MPow earphones are very, very comfortable. I mean, they hardly weigh anything at all. You can either have this bit on the front or the back. I think I prefer it on the back, it doesn't get in the way. But yeah, I think you can have it as both if you want. I've used it today when I was on the train this morning, listening to an audiobook. It was brilliant, it was clear, it was crisp. The music sounds good. I'd probably give it about a 7 out of 10 or a 7.5 out of 10 for the music quality. The loudness, it doesn't, I wouldn't say it goes, it does go very loud, but you might want louder. That's all I can say. Slightly louder with your earphones, but I'd probably give it a 9 out of 10 for loudness. What else can I say about them? Bloody hell. They just, as for value for money for these things, about multifunctional, you can speak on them. I was having a conversation with my son and daughter today. Perfect hearing, they could hear me perfectly. Everything was fine. Music, audiobooks, the lot, brilliant. Walking around the house, I mean, the 10 meter, I've walked around my whole house. It has literally not lost connection or dropped on every floor. Like my phone's been upstairs and I've been all the way downstairs on the bottom floor. And there's 3 floors in this house, so a bit of a townhouse going on. And yeah, so I'd say you struggle for £18 or like similar price in dollars. You're going to struggle to find something as good as these earphones on the market. So definitely, if you do want to buy them, please use my affiliate links in the description down below. It will be greatly appreciated. And don't forget to leave a like on the video and subscribe. Yeah, and thanks so much for watching and actually getting to the end of this video. And it's been a long one, I know, but yeah, thanks for sticking around. I really do appreciate you guys. Leave a comment in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one. And don't forget, be 100% real. Be 100% Jim.